A crazy driver. Look at the car chase on TV.
That driver is crazy.
I can't believe he hasn't crashed.
How fast is he going?
They say he's going 80 miles per hour.
He's going to kill someone.
Look. He just hit that car.
Oh, my goodness. No one is safe on the streets.
Now he's slowing down.
Maybe he ran out of gas.
Look. He just got out of the car and started running.
I hope the police catch him. Conversation 2.
It isn't news.
TV news is so stupid.
They shouldn't even call it news.
Last night they told us about a cat in a sofa.
Yesterday they told us about a dog in a pipe.
Last week they told us about a bear in a backyard.
Last month they told us about a mouse in a restaurant.
The weatherman tells us the temperature in every town.
The sports guy shows us players fighting.
They always tell us what's next.
They always make what's next sound exciting, but it never is.
It's more like news for kids.
They should have kid reporters.
Conversation 3. The Great Wall.
I love my computer.
Computers are so cool.
I love to go online.
The internet is amazing.
You can travel all over the world.
I know. I went to China yesterday.
What did you do?
I stood on the Great Wall and looked all around.
What was it like?
It was like the real thing.
It was like being there?
Yes, I felt like I was actually there.
Conversation 4. The Beatles.
The Beatles are the best.
They are the best musical group ever.
I love all their songs.
I don't know which one I like the best.
I like the ones I can sing along with.
So do I, like She Loves You.
She Loves You, yeah, yeah, yeah.
And You Know You Should Be Glad.
What a great song.
How about Let It Be?
Oh, yes. Let it be, let it be.
There will be an answer, let it be.